up, guys? This is Janet Galasso coming at you with another episode of Quarantine Art. Welcome to Volume 2, all about stop-motion animation. So, since last time we met, I had taken my air-dry clay, and I had to put it into this container, and I kept it in the fridge, and it's actually been in there for 2 weeks, and it's looking pretty good. The nice thing about keeping your air-dry clay in the fridge is that you don't want it to get moldy or gross. Note that you are using natural materials, right? And, oops, don't want that to get on the floor. You are using natural materials, so you want to make sure you don't leave it out for the elements to get at it, because you want to make sure that it stays fresh, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to walk you through the process today. We are going to learn how to create a storyboard and what to do with that. We're going to set up our stage, and then I'm going to do a demo on the stop motion app. You can find it right on your iPhone or Android, and it's free, right? It's free, so it's great to use in that sense. No extra money added to it, right? Good for the quarantine life here. And then also what you're going to do is you're going to take that clay you made, right? And we're set the stage, we got the clay, we got the app, and we're going to make an animation, and I'll walk you through that process today. So, one of the first things you're going to want to do is set up a storyboard. So what I have here is just a piece of sketch paper with a bunch of boxes on it, and what I've done is I've set up actually the storyboard for this film you're seeing right now, this little video, and setting up the stage as to what I want to do first, next, and last, both in my intro, but then also what I'm going to be doing with my air-dry clay. So my plan is I'd like to see if I can get I have two little balls of clay. The left one starts as a ball, it grows, and then starts to have a mouth, and eventually eats the other one, swallows it, and it shrinks and rolls off the stage. So that's what I'm going to do for mine. Another thing you're going to want to do is set up a stage for yourself. So what I have here is, it's really just a laundry holder, when you know, like the drying racks you use for when you put the laundry out. I have a black sheet over it. So one of my tips is that if you have a black sheet or any dark colored sheet, if you find it has wrinkles in it, throw it into the dryer for a few minutes, like maybe 10 minutes, and it'll take most of the wrinkles out. Set up a table that you don't mind having your air dry clay on. If you have a tripod that you can hook your iPhone to, set up your tripod. And if not, what you can do is set up a bunch of books and prop your phone up on a bunch of books. Alright, so as you can see here, I have the Stop Motion Studio app, okay? I'm going to click on that. What I'd like to do first is show you guys how to use this app so that way you can make your own stop motion animations. So I'm going to just go over some of the ones I've already done before. This was done using paper quite a while ago. I'm going to go back to the beginning, hit the play button off to the right, and it's going to walk me through just a ball bouncing off the page, okay? I also did this recently just to see how this app worked to demonstrate it. I had a little Smurf figurine my friend had given me many years ago, and I used my desk as a stage, and I just had it walk across the stage. So you'll notice that all the different frames are really just individual photographs strung together as a movie, and that's really all that stop motion animation is. You're taking a sedentary object and moving it, or you're taking something movable like clay and transforming it and having it move frame by frame by frame to create a feeling of action. So what you're going to want to do next is, I'm going to go click on New Movie, and I'm going to make sure that my stage is exactly as I want to set up. It looks like my camera's a little crooked, okay? So we're going to fix that. And then, let's take a look at this interface. So on the top right, it's telling us to tap on the camera to add some photos. Okay, and the stage gets bigger. So I have a piece of air-dry clay. As you can see, I'm in much more natural light here. I took all my spotlights off, and it's just a ball on the stage. So any light that you see... Oh, I did get out of here! So you guys know air dry clay is not good for pets, and so we want to keep her out of here. Alright. So, you take your air dry clay, and then I'm just going to have it roll across the stage for this demo. So I'm going to click my button, and I'm going to move it incrementally and keep clicking. You should see almost like a shadow casted on it, and it shows you all the different frames you're doing. Okay. And then I'm going to hit the play button. Actually, I'm going to go back to the beginning and hit the back button here, and I'm going to go all the way back. We're going to see how well this worked. And that's really all there is to it. So, when you want to share this on social media, what you're going to do is you're going to hit the back button at the top left. I'm going to hold down the actual movie, click on it, hit the export button at the top, and then from there I want to export movie. So, what'd you think? I hope you liked my video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and if you want to see more, please do like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.